Thanks, Sarah, and good morning, everybody. You're very welcome to the third edition of the SRS RAN Project Workshop. Once again, I'd like to thank Virginia Tech and the Commonwealth Cyber Initiative for partnering with us and hosting this event with us.
Hey there, my name's Ben Coffin. I am with NI Emerson, and I am the Chief Global Business Manager for Academic at NI. Happy to be here at the SRS RAN workshop to hear about the direction of open source software in telecom. Very exciting to hear more about the Okudu project and what that's going to mean for the ecosystem of wireless research.
Hi, my name is Fahim Bashar. I'm a graduate research assistant here at Virginia Tech. It was really a great experience, presenting here. I got to meet a lot of people, a lot of different industry partners, people from NI or Emerson, people from Sears 360, people from Skylark, just various industries. It's a really good networking opportunity for students and also, I guess, businesses and SRS RAN.